For viewers, we don't carry the program coming away again. And waiting the name of the program. Ask It A Hot. That political program with the at least give an up-to-date informate on waiting on the political activities where they happen for our Obodo Nigeria, so that at least we go feel they relate, they know as our country they take move forward on top of development and a few other things. Today's matter no go different from the regulars. I will also open our phone line when that time reach for that to also contribute, because we know see today's matter now the same kind of interesting issue we would always talk. Now you know today will not go different from my name never still change. My name now Unkubi, and this is now Ask the Hot.
Last week we opened one very serious topic when we say plenty Nigerians don't they talk about, or people will call them the topic generate public opprobrium. I go talk them again, public opprobrium. Sake of say plenty Nigerians they complain say it be like say this one now return to dictatorship, or now return to the days when we say people gag people of the country, they don't get the right to express themselves or talk. This one get to do with the bill when we say Senator Bala Ibn Allah, when they represent Kebbi State, and 28 others took hand inside, say yes, time don't reach for them to push this thing for inside our National Assembly to make them law. They call it the frivolous petition, or what is some people call prohibition bill of 2015. They talk and say some people don't they take advantage of the fact say they get right to express themselves, but then they talk anyhow, and then they use them, they lie, they spread falsehood, deceit, and lies. A lot of Nigerians come and talk say, government supposed to be about protecting and promoting the interests of the people. But if government can't begin to do kurukere to protect themselves from say people they ask question, now be say monkey hand don't enter inside the arrangement. Today we want make you chook mouth for inside this matter. As we they break all this bill down, they talk about them one by one, section by section. We go allow you to chook mouth for inside the matter. Talk your own to contribute for inside this thing, so that we go get the final one when we say all of us go join hand together to say yes, this is good, and to move our country forward.
Yes, still on top of this matter, we go also a lot of some of us go very much aware. Say some waka that is some protests don't they play out at this point in time. People don't they carry placard, they mark waka about, they go in front of a National Assembly talk saying. So no to do it, no to this bill, that is no to social media bill. When I talk, say now won't do it, now won't put an end to. Say we no go agree. Say make now do it, make now review that now bill, make now know it now will do, because according to what some people talk, they say some past government, or probably a particular past government do it, they ride on the mantle of this social media thing, and then they also use this that same channel do it, take over power. But what we say right about now, you can't be like say somehow you just be like say that thing will really happen now. Now can't they kick against, and no one make you do it, make it push further. So the worker, the protest they heavy, and then people are coming out at they are talking heavily on top of this matter. But the question can be say, we not talk say make bill no day in place. But then if our senators wait there for us go all look at least make them fit the final we talk say we'll be talking here last week. Say okay, make we know say this bill now against people who just they carry misinformation. Where we say if we check them everywhere, anyhow we check them, go say there are no elements of truth in them. And you understand? So at least we know they very well say as they carry out this their investigate on top of this matter, at least we will know say yes in the end. If the bill, if they eventually pass them, I will not say yes, now for the right cause, and not be for to stop people from not at least expressing their views when we know say such views they appropriate.
If we take a cursory look, because I'm going to speak English because this thing it don't pass waiting they use ordinary pidgin speak. If we take a cursory look at this frivolous petition bill of 2015, and we go see say the thing get 4 sections, and out of that 4 sections, then break everything down, explain where it be say now like this the law go take provide, and now like this it go be if you do something when we say no dey right. For section 1, the state time clearly say anybody when go come out come talk say okay see so thing when happen, the person must swear affidavit, that is the person go court to talk say this thing when I want talk the thing na truth or nothing but the truth. He go submit that affidavit for state high court or federal high court. That one means say before you open your mouth to talk statement. Before you carry your biro to write anything, you must get affidavit to show, say, okay, this is what I want to talk, oh, now true, and I get facts to fit block am. Then the section 2 come break am down, say anybody when talk anything, when be say the thing no carry affidavit, when they don't submit for state court, state high court or federal high court, now him be say nobody go even look the petition at all. Meaning say the petition is, I go speak English, null and void. That is to say, he no get head, he no get Honda inside that petition be that. Then the third one come clearly state and say, okay, oh, for people when be say can't use this lie, do this or do that. See the kind of punishment when they go face from 6 months to 2 years, from 2 million to 4 million is spell amount. Then the section 4, now that one, now it can make plenty people talk, say no, if I say this one, they don't want to take this one too far. I go quote them verbatim. That is to say, as they take write them inside the thing, now I go take bring them out. He talks say, where any person through text message, tweet, WhatsApp, text message, tweet, WhatsApp, or through any social media, that is, whether na Twitter or whether na Facebook or whether na your BBM or anything when we say social media dey on top. If you use them, they carry any of these things when I go bring now, wahala dey there. Post any abusive statement. That is, you look, for example, now, Nkubi, they represent you for your constituency. You can't look at me and say, Nkubi, say somehow, the way when we say, you understand? You just use one thing for him body where everybody they see. You talk, say, Nkubi, somehow, the way when this thing, abusive statement. I won't use that. I use Nkubi to example so that Nkubi go get a clear picture of what I talk. Knowing same to be false with intent to set the public against any or group of persons or institution of government or any other such bodies established by law shall be guilty of offenses. Now, this one not very, very clear. Say, if you be person when we say you they use your phone, they talk, say, okay, oh, you want to contribute your own to the discussion. Maybe you can't look, say, maybe this person when they represent us, the way when they think, you know they right, or the thing when any abusive statement whatsoever, the person go inside prison or he go pay heavy fine. But people can't look this one, can't talk, say, this one a very, very serious issue. And it be like, say, this government, by government now, not just mean say, okay, oh, these people when they empower, it means say because government they exist in continuum. This government won't get now. According to the Attorney General of Ekiti State, he talks say they want to return us back to Decree 4 of 1984. That is that one now. Law when we say if you cough, you get the way we go take cough, they go talk say that cough, something there inside and they go deal with you decisively. Plenty Nigerians don't go up in arms, in quotes, say they don't go agree for this kind of law, and this law now something when we say they're very, very bad. And they won't put people for trouble.
Well, Chukwudi, you don't state out the 4 sections. And if we also look at the first one, the way you talk, say yes, before you go say, come and talk anything, say you go do it, you go first go get affidavits. That is, you first go get what you go prove, say yes, this way they talk now true. And you just be like, say that affidavit itself, you get and finish, maybe you can't talk the talk finish, and they come be say, somehow the talk don't be true. You don't enter begin with that. And then secondly, you can't talk, and even if the talk that true, maybe because of saying no swear, you know, they don't go count about that true. So and third one come be say, without
the punishment, you spell out the punishment.
The punishment say, see the range between 6 months to 2 years, and see the amount of money we go fee pay upon. And the fourth one come be say, social media, no element of social media, no just make mistake. Because me, I like, they always, when it comes to issues, they always enter into social media. They talk my mind. Yes, they also join for conversation where they take place for social media. At least make we also they relate, make we they rub minds together. Make I see this person's opinion about this particular issue. Make I see, but right now, just like say, everything now, it all become, I borrow on paru-pasu kind of level where we say, now that is that freedom. You like say our hands are now tied. We no go fit do it. We no go fit relate.
Nkubi, you know say this. You say as I dey look you, I can't pity you because you don't
pity me.
You know what? No, may I pity you.
You know why I said don't pity me?
No, there's a reason.
There's no point pitying me because already in the first place, when you take me to example, fear no even make you fear because I trust myself. I know it now. If you do fear, no go even make you say something where we say. When you take me to example, say punishment, say if I talk something about, maybe if I represent a particular constituency, one person can't talk something about me. Why not just mention one particular talk? Make I know where I go pick them from. Because fear no will even let you state out something where you say you don't say to me. once I don't grab them, I'm throwing back at you. I don't go waste time.
Who could be saying, just begin to save money. You know why?
Because very soon, what will happen to you?
Because
You don't, no. Very soon, what will happen to you?
You don't see the fine. You don't see the fine when they. You don't see the fine when they.
On the ground, say things why they talk no be true.
You don't see the fine when they.
No, on the ground, say things why they talk no be true.
Who could be money where you don't save to use buy land since that time 1975. Now you won't just use put yourself for trouble. Now you won't just use I dey tell you every time on all this show.
On this platform, we don't dey talk and say we go dey talk the truth and nothing but the truth. If we see truth, we go talk am. Nigerians, I'm not be so. If we see truth, make we talk am. Make we also at least make Nigerians know say this thing are true. Make them also share in the truth. Not be say you can't hold truth away from Nigerians.
Could be, but in truth, if we look this frivolous petition bill of 2015, when APC senator Senator Ibn Naala and some of his guys they won't sponsor. If we look at them, if not be say because of the trust we know there between government and the people, everything when they inside here, somehow, some people they take advantage of social media and the fact say they get the right to express themselves to use, I go speak English, malign, defame or assassinate the character of person when we say he dey government and with the intent to do it to bring the person down. Some people don't come and come talk say why e be say people when ride on the wave of social media say that they put information out there. Now they come look say this social media abuse they pay people well. Now he just for the Attorney General of Ekiti State. We know say somehow, maybe political affiliation, sentiment, and everything enter. But for the Attorney General to compare this kind of thing to Decree 4 of 1984, it means say na something when we say it dey very na something when we say Nigerians we supposed to look at. And from the office of the presidency, the Oga President don't come and come talk say anything when he be say he go engender dictatorship. That is, maybe people know they talk their mind or they talk true, say no go support them. I go read this quote from November 11, 2014, when Oga President bin come and talk say yes, so he won't join race to become Oga President for Nigeria. He talk say we cannot. I go speak for English. We cannot go back to the old ways where individual freedoms were trampled upon and citizens were locked up for expressing their views or criticizing government. This one don't dey very, very clear. Say Oga President self admit say at some point for this our country, people will criticize government, people will express their views, then trample upon their rights, then lock them up. So this one don't dey when we say we don't get government when we say they're not they happy with say people they talk about them or people don't talk about them. Now, why e be say if we talk about nation building and national development, country wey belong to all of us, when everybody fit contribute into, you can't talk say okay make people no talk, make people no make abusive statements. In this case, who go determine wetin abusive be? In this case, who go determine when the person when be say okay now he right to express himself, he don dey abuse am. And for example, now if person defame the character of person or you through malicious intent you dey spread falsehood about person, na civil offense. But he can't be like say these are our senators them somehow from wetin they be according to wetin people they talk, e be like say they want criminalize them, make it be like say na baby kind of system now we go dey operate for Nigeria. So because person no go fit talk again.
No, for me, the way I see it, this is how I say it. You just like say, okay, fine. There is what we talk about. They practice democracy. We be government of the people, by the people, and for the people. We talk, say, we get the FOI bill in place. Maybe that Freedom of Information bill. If these two things, we say, where they give Nigerians, or probably where they give in a particular nation, the right to do it and to talk. Because for me, these things have actually, it don't open that ground for us to be able to say, okay, make we put people to order. So right about now, the way that they try see here now just like say, okay, they won't try hold our hands, seal them up, say, okay, no chim. You have like when they text one because say, give me what today. That's something like Chukudi now. You say, if I can't look into you as a Chukudi, if you make any attempt to say anything, just shut up. Do like this, hold your mouth. And you can't do like, you can't cry inside. Can't they cry inside. You know, talk out that cry. Now today say that particular child, you don't seize her freedom or seizing freedom from doing it, from expressing that emotion where they inside them. Now waiting and they see this law as. You understand?
Unkubi. Yeah. While I appreciate say you they use example, many Nigerians then they understand. Yeah. No, they use me do example of person when you can't add cry for the back. Right. Because even the way when you they cry self, you know even fine at all. Why you gonna use your own cry? They compare to my own cry.
Anyway, your own cry is your cry, and right about now, let us also hear the voice of Osanho, because I know say Osanho cry no go ever be like your own. Osanho, good morning. You there on us in the hot.
Oh, good morning, my people.
Good morning.
Yes, so see, una they do the right thing as I watch una too right now. The way una they quarrel about this matter, I reach to quarrel about. You understand? Okay. But my contribution be say. This government, this Buhari government, na trick them they use, they want to oppress we Nigerian people. Because the truth of the matter be saying now, this same social media they use take paint the last government. Okonjo Iweala thief, good luck thief, this one thief. This same social media, them say not be social media they fight. One lawyer come this morning for your program, they talk and say, not be directly saying that social media they fight. But if you watch them for the Senate, one of the people who talk about this thing, he particularly mentioned Sahara Reporters, which means that now waiting they instigate this bill. And we don't see them a trick to take oppress, to take shut us up. And we not go take them, make nobody come deceive us with sense. What is their lawyer book? That's not my own contribution this morning.
Okay, thank you very much for this your important contribution. In fact, you don't go straight to the point, but it go good make we point them out. Say, the reason why people they talk say okay, the government of President Muhammadu Buhari now because of say the president now be the leader and now be the head, and anything will happen now be the first person when they will take seat. But we don't talk and say from the office of the presidency they don't issue statements say our Oga Presido he no go put biro to use sign say okay this kind of thing when we say they want use and block people to they talk say he no go support them at all. So this one don't show say from the office of the presidency they don't make them clear say anything when you go be like say Nigerians no go fit express themselves that they are right to talk am the way anything be there for body say he no go assent to them. So it go good if we they talk am make we they narrow am down to the place where we say they happen. Now why we talk say House of Senate and we they call Senator Ibn now allow because now be the person when we say he stand up to sponsor the bill even though he gets some kind of people when we say all of them they go together. But we could be more break this thing down. Now, if person don't be victim of say people use social media or maybe frivolous petition bring person down or spoil the name or use them scatter the government, the person go look this thing say yes not true. Remember what he talk in be Oga Osanho be talk say the same people when use them bring down the government or spoil the name of the government of former president Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. Now they don't come realize say na bad thing. So this one they very very clear. Be say some people they take advantage of say if he talk anyhow they will just come drop one lie, come spread and you know say lie now they go past. You now somewhere like you now I know say when you small things they always they as in. Why allow me to do the example before you come and look me with suspicion. You know what I want to talk. You know what I want to say when you small for school. You dey always dey carry first. Why are you always in a mood in a fighting mood? I talk say you don't begin to look me like say you dey wait to pick one thing. Why are you always like this? We dey here they talk about frivolous petition. They enlighten Nigerians. They inform them. You dey always dey look for where to just pick hole for wetin person dey talk. Why are you like this?
Because they always create that hole. They always leave space for that hole to show.
If like say they go even add jumping to conclusion for this bill because and you never allow me finish what I dey talk. You don't already they look me like say you want
jumping
fight.
Into conclusion for this same bill. Make that without. Look, Oga Yusuf, I beg you, no mind Chukudi, talk to us. Yusuf, good morning. Oga Yusuf, good morning. Oga Yusuf, you there?
Yeah, I greet them together. Good morning.
Oga Yusuf.
Down to the issue of today.
Okay, go.
Right on. See, hospitals, we say they don't scatter. Nobody for National Assembly or for Senate move motion to raise them up. Workers, so if they owe money, nobody move motion for that. The country, they loot money, they carry money every day, they go from here to here, they steal money. Nobody move motion for the judiciary to pass, say, once you go say they go adjourn, somebody go steal billion, they go adjourn the case for more than 6 months. Nobody go pass motion, say, make they adjust those, say, once they pass it, once they judge it once, they go find the investigating once to just finalize the issue. You know, go talk all those, a life no day for Nigeria. I always say we know they get life. Nobody go move motion, say, make they do this one. But somebody go raise up, stand up, go move motion, say, make we not talk again. When it be say, Goodluck Ebele Jonathan don't sign the bill, say, freedom of speech go there. See, you know, go free up for this country. And I believe even our president, Buhari, and also, you know, go support that one. Yeah, I believe that one. God bless Nigeria.
God bless Nigeria,
and God bless you too, Ogaigo.
Thank you very much.
All the way from Abuja, your passion for this country, you dey call to Chukma for inside this matter. You don't state your own categorically, say, you dey very certain, say, our Oga Presido no go support this kind of thing. And you make mention, say, we get plenty important issues when we say those when they represent us supposed to face.
Chukudi, we know say yes, Ogaigo don't talk, and we also know the passion within inside of you. But that example we won't make, we'll make and by the time we do it, we'll come back from this break. We'll do it, we'll go for this break. When we come back, we'll continue on this same issue with the come. You will be saying, you're the talk, you're the mind.
If you not just enjoy the video, they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.